I think there's 1,000 children a day being abducted. So the Child Safe Kit is very important to those people with children because it identifies them. If they have any way to track down their child, this would be the way, because most people don't fingerprint or take those precautions. I mean, I had children back in the day and I didn't have any idea what their blood type was or what their DNA was. And to know that I would have that somewhere would make me feel a lot more comfortable, especially in the time of an abduction, because you're a parent, you're in shock. I mean, a lot of times they'll say, well, how tall is your child? And they'll go, you know, that doesn't say anything. But here, this Child Safe Kit says he was 5'2" or 3'4" or something, and how much weight, and blonde hair, blue eyes, or curly hair. I think that the kit itself is an identifier, and I think that's what law enforcement's looking for immediately. In short, if you don't do it, it'll be I would, I should, I coulda. It doesn't work anymore. You know, protect your child. In today's environment, I say protect your child, and this Safe Kit helps tremendously.